Deacon Casey from Jacksonville, Florida. I have 2 medical spas, Aegis Rejuvenation Center, and Ponte Vedra Vein and Aesthetics.
Great. And so what brought you here today?
I used to watch all of her YouTube videos in learning how to run a successful medical spa, and I just had to meet her. So I was invited for a book seminar is what I thought. After going through each session, it's changed my perspective on what writing a book could be. And it was more of a workshop where we were guided, basically pulling the information out of us, organizing the information, and now I think I pretty much have the bones and some of the meat of the makings of my book, which makes me so excited. This is something that I've always wanted to do, just didn't know how. And what this workshop did for me is to help to tease that information out, guided me in terms of what is important to place the information inside of that book, including stories that I've buried, didn't know the importance of how it connected with the content of my book. I didn't know some of the things that Dori explained during the entire process was just an amazing way of putting it all together. And I'm very, very excited about getting my book out there.
Excellent, excellent. And so maybe just from this weekend, what would be like the most important key takeaway that you might bring home with you?
Oh gosh, the most important key takeaway from this weekend is that don't put it off, just do it. Give Dori a call and get this going because it will change your life. The thing that I say, and I've said it to Dori a couple of times, I wish I knew this 10 years ago.